Hey folks, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to show you a quick unboxing and mini review of the Scosche PowerVolt PD30. This is a great little throw it in your bag charger for everything nowadays using USB-C and probably wanting a really good fast charging. This is actual PD delivery, so 30 watts of power. So I'm going to unbox it here. You probably saw the lighter plug adapter one I did. So this is just a simple, quick and easy single one for AC. Come on, unbox. Oh shoot, didn't undo those. Oh well. Probably shouldn't have done it from the bottom, but c'est la vie. Yeah, does exactly what it says on the tin. So, but what I like about it is it's tiny. Like I said, this is super easy to transport around. I used to see these a lot for those little iPhone ones that didn't do a lot of power. But this is going to do PD delivery, so perfect for my Pixel Book, perfect for my Pixel, anything else out there. My kids' Oculus, so great just to have when you need it. Right, so I'm going to leave a full review on the website. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Thanks.